Excess sodium in your diet can lead to potassium deficiency, and that causes high blood pressure. Plant-based foods. There are a lot of foods that you can eat to lower your blood pressure naturally. If you are overweight or have blood pressure, it is better to eat plant-based foods which have almost zero sodium and are rich in potassium. This helps a lot in cutting down the blood pressure. Let's talk about a few foods which have a lot of potassium. Load up on potassium. 1 cup of tomato paste provides 2657 milligrams of potassium, and a cup of bok choy provides 631 milligrams. So load up on these. Talk about a few foods now which are rich in potassium. Figs. Figs are rich in potassium. They help restore the potassium-sodium balance and help lower your blood pressure. Enjoy the soft, sweet, chewy and tasty figs, and at the same time enjoy a great health. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in fiber, low in fat, low in sodium, and is the best food ever to lower your blood pressure. Research shows that eating half cup of rolled oats every day leads to a significant decrease in your blood pressure. Pistachio. Pistachios help in blood vessel tightening and are great food for lowering blood pressure. Make sure not to choose salted pistachios. 1 serving of pistachios a day helps lower blood pressure significantly. Beetroot. Beetroot is high in nitric oxide, which helps open your blood vessels and lowers your blood pressure. In a study, beetroot juice given to a group of participants lowered their blood pressure within just 24 hours. So grab yourself some beetroot juice. Blueberries. Antioxidants in blueberries keep your blood pumping. Blue pigment called anthocyanin in blueberries helps keep your arteries wide and flexible, which not only lowers your blood pressure but improves your overall heart health. Low-fat yogurt. Calcium in low-fat yogurt reduces your blood pressure by keeping your blood vessels in great condition. Women who ate 5 or more servings of yogurt experienced 20% reduction in their risk for developing high blood pressure. And if somebody already has high blood pressure, it still regulates it. Dark chocolate. A bite of dark chocolate, 60% cacao, lowers blood pressure significantly. Just keep in mind not to eat the whole bar of chocolate, right? Sunflower seeds. Unsalted sunflower seeds are high in potassium and can very well correct the sodium-potassium imbalance in the body that happens due to excessive consumption of salt, mainly through processed foods and otherwise. Green leafy veggies, lettuce, arugula, kale and spinach have potassium and folic acid. Spinach naturally flushes out excess sodium from our body. Hence, it is very good for naturally lowering blood pressure. Green tea, black tea. Long-term intake of green or black tea can reduce your blood pressure, risk of stroke and coronary artery disease. So make sure to include that in your menu. Olive oil. Replace butter with olive oil and it can be a lifesaver. Olive oil has antioxidants in it which keep your blood vessels flexible and lower your blood pressure in turn. So next time, grab some olive oil for cooking. Garlic. Garlic boosts nitric oxide levels in your body and helps your blood vessels relax, and in turn it prevents your heart from working too hard. So sometimes it is good to help your heart also to work less harder. Fatty fish like salmon high in omega-3 can reduce inflammation, reduce triglycerides and lower blood pressure. Be aware of packaged foods. Be extremely careful of the amount of sodium content in packaged food, as you may end up eating a day's worth of sodium, recommended sodium, in just 1 pack of chips. So always make sure to look at the packaged food labeling. Also be careful of high in fat foods. When you eat bacon, hot dog, pizza, saturated fat gets into your blood and makes it thicker. And once the blood becomes thicker, the heart has to work more harder to push the thicker blood, and hence the blood pressure goes up. So always keep these as much as possible off the menu. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Limit your alcohol consumption to less than 1 drink per day and avoid smoking to regulate your blood pressure. Basically, to summarize, in this video we spoke about what are the causes of high blood pressure. As we start eating more sodium through our diet and through processed food, basically one pack of processed chips giving us entire day's worth of sodium, our sodium potassium imbalance starts happening. And if we do not get enough amount of potassium into our body, the sodium potassium imbalance causes a problem, and hence we end up with high blood pressure. So that's why please take note of all the options that I have given here to increase your potassium intake and how you can restore your sodium potassium balance. Once you restore that naturally, you will see your blood pressure will go down significantly naturally. It will lower down, right? So that is what we spoke about in this video, and also I spoke about a few things that you need to be mindful about, which you need to avoid to be healthy and to lower your blood pressure, right? So with that, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe.